you're looking for some feminine and glamorous home decor, this video is perfect for you, because today I have a haul video, but solely with glamorous and very feminine pieces. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video, because I'm a very small creator and chances are high that you won't find me again if you don't subscribe to my channel. So please do that now and ring the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video. So let's start with the first item, and you might have seen it on my Instagram account. I was very happy when it arrived. It's this poof from Amazon. Of course, I will link everything down below in the description box. And I have a little secret when it comes to this poof, because this is my laundry basket. As you can see, you can open it, and I have some bags in here, and this is where I store my laundry. It's very handy. You can just close it, sit on it, put your feet up, and I think it's very, very nice and elegant. It gives this touch of glamour with this golden leg, and it also came in different colors. I think it was available in pink and beige. Of course, I have a beige version, and they also had different colors, so I will definitely link it down below. The second thing I got is this stole, and I had the bar card before, but I needed something to put more stuff on it, because if you have guessed, this little bar card might be too little. So I got this one from a store called Momax. I will also link it down below. And what I really like is that you can just put this up, and if you need to serve some tea, biscuits, whatever, you can just take this in the kitchen, drape everything on and put it back. You can also fold this up, so if you need more space, you can just fold it up, and this is what I really like. One tiny thing I got from Primark is this water bottle, and I don't know about you, but I have definitely a habit of not drinking enough water during the day. My best friend is always reminding me to drink more, so I got this pretty little bottle. This has 500 milliliters, so I know I have to drink 4 of those and I'm good to go. Although 4 is really a lot, because in my opinion it's huge. But anyway, if I just leave it somewhere, it looks like perfectly set up to my decor. And it was from Primark, and it only costed me €5. So this is pretty much a steal. It also is thermal, so it keeps your drinks cool if you put some ice cubes in it, or if you have hot drinks, it will keep it hot for a while. Another thing I got, you see in my corner, the drapes, and I was looking for very elegant and sophisticated, glamorous drapes. It was so hard to find, because I really wanted something very, very glamorous, like a satin material, a very rich material. And I finally found them, and they were from a store called Hafner. I got them for €30 each. I got 2 of them in the size of my living room, and I think they are so, so, so pretty. They have this satin material with fine lines between, and I really love them. I think this adding curds gives your room so much more glamour. And we just stay in the corner, because I also got a fake plant. Actually, I wanted to have it on my balcony, but as it was standing in my living room, I really loved the idea to have a huge plant in my living room. I'm not an expert in plants, so I wanted to get a huge plant, which is not a real plant. If you want to be updated about everything I get in my home, follow me on Instagram, because there I really keep you updated on all the progress on my flat, all of the little updates and remodelings and everything. So definitely subscribe to my Instagram feed. So if you're into feminine glamorous interiors, definitely follow me on Instagram. I also have another video about a haul from Wolwoorth with very feminine and elegant pieces. And if you're more into glamour regarding fashion, I also have a whole playlist about elegant and glamorous fashion. I will see you in the next video. Bye!